Let's go ahead and get started. Thank you, everyone, for coming. This is the first of hopefully more of these kinds of workshops. My name is Anka Kamrath. I'll be doing the welcome this morning, and Erin Anderson here, my deputy, is going to be doing some of the moderation and other things throughout the day. I'm with NCAR. I'm the director of the Computational and Information Systems Laboratory, and I'm also the UCAR Security CIO. So that's kind of my role here. In terms of the workshop, this came out of an idea. We've been doing so much around security. We've got projects that need FISMA, looking at best practices, discussions with the National Science Foundation. We've got requests of what to do with controlled, unclassified information. And our president, Tony Busalaki, said, what can we do for our partnership community? UCAR is made up of over 100 universities. And actually, they had their members meeting this week. And let me see, how many folks are from UCAR member institutions? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tim raised his hand. No. The idea is looking at, can we share best practices with each other? This is a fast-moving field, and it's kind of a journey. It's not like a binary thing. You could say, all right, I'm done with this. And creating a community around these challenges and problems. So the goal here is really to build relationships, see what other challenges folks are having. And we have a number of kind of interesting panels to kind of seed that conversation. We also have folks here that aren't just technical IT folks. We've got budget administrators, contracts folks. There'll be some legal folks on some of the panels. This field touches many parts of the UCAR organization, for example. We've got, we often deal with our legal department. Our privacy officer is actually in the legal department. We deal with contracts quite a bit. I see our contracts officer, Gina, over there. And I've assumed the other universities that are participating here have kind of similar challenges in this regard. So we'll try not to be too technical so the non-IT people don't get lost along the way. So the agenda for the day, we've got actually a great keynote speaker in Ron Ross, right down here. He is, I don't know if I'm allowed to say it really this way, but the father of FISMA, right? Is that kind of the grandfather of FISMA? And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for those of you that are doing FISMA. It's a good thing, all right. Now, FISMA is something that we've been spending a lot of time doing, and we're really lucky to have Ron here and kind of hear firsthand, not just where it's at, but where it's going and the things that we need to know about FISMA in this kind of academic setting, which can be just very challenging. We actually, Erin and I met with our member university board yesterday and presented kind of where we were at on security, and we still have a long ways to go. But the interesting thing is they didn't beat us up for not being, at the end point of where we needed to be, because all of their universities are going through the exact same thing, and they see this as a challenge, and that we really need to make partnerships around best practices and solutions and things like that. So